Python programming language has multiple data types and data structures that you can use to store and manipulate data efficiently. In this video, we will discuss the Python data type str, or string. Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we're diving into a data type you'll use all the time in Python, the str data type, short for string. Whether you're working with names, messages, user input, or even code itself, strings are everywhere. So let's explore what they are, how they work, and why they're so useful. What is a string? A string, or str in Python, is a sequence of characters. That can be letters, numbers, punctuation, emojis, anything that fits between quotes. Here are some examples. Strings are always enclosed in either single quotes or double quotes. Behind the scenes, a string in Python is actually an ordered collection of characters. That means each character has a position, starting at index 0. You can access parts of a string using slicing. Strings are immutable, which means once you create one, it can't be changed. If you try to change a character directly, Python will give you an error. Strings are used for text-based data of any kind. You'll use strings to display messages to users, store names, emails, and other input, parse files like CSVs, JSON, or logs, format output, and build dynamic messages. If you're building a chatbot, a web app, or a simple terminal program, you'll be working with strings. Here are a few key things to remember about strings. Strings are immutable. You can't change them, but you can build new ones. You can use operators like plus to concatenate and asterisk to repeat strings. Strings have built-in methods like upper, lower, strip, replace, and split. Multi-line strings can be written using triple quotes. You can format strings using fstrings, which is the modern, clean way to combine variables and text. Let's take a look at a few examples of how strings can work in action. It's very easy to create a string. Simply assign a value between quotes to a variable. You can also create new strings out of existing strings using concatenation. Here we create two strings, first and second, using assignment. Then we create the third string, greeting, by concatenating these two, with a single blank string in the middle. Note that the plus character is used to concatenate strings. As we mentioned, string objects come with methods that help us to more efficiently work with strings. In this example, we use the strip method to first strip away leading and following blanks, and then the lower method to convert all characters to lowercase. Note that when you use multiple methods, they generally implement in the order in which they are listed in the code. You can use a technique called slicing to access just a portion of the string. In this example, we use slicing to retrieve the first 6 characters from the string. Strings work well when using fstring templates. Here we define the two strings name and age. Then we define an fstring template that will inject the values of those variables at specified locations within the template string. You can surround your string with 3 sets of quotes to retain multiple lines. Here the new line at the end of each part is automatically retained due to the special characters used. And these examples barely scratch the surface. Python strings are incredibly versatile. So there you have it, the basics of Python string type. Whether you're building a calculator, a data parser, or your next app, strings are going to be one of your best tools. If you enjoyed this breakdown, hit that like button, subscribe for more Python tutorials, and let me know in the comments what you'd like to learn next. Until next time, happy coding.